Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Now, here we are. What started my channel, kind of, 1,700 subscribers, that's a lot to me, was unboxings. So welcome to like my Botany Beauty Corner where I have all my plants, but we're still gonna do our unboxings because I love doing unboxings. They're fun. There's only gonna be a couple of them a month. If you like plant videos, just skip over them. These are unboxings that I like to do with my beauty peeps. And if you like beauty videos, just skip over my plant videos and I'll still do my unboxings. And I'm here for my planty crowd and my beauty crowd, but there's gonna be a lot of planty videos. Let's just get into Boxycharm in January 2020, okay? I don't know why there's writing all over mine, but there is. All right, Boxycharm. Breaking the ice, and I don't want to look at the prices or anything right now with anything, so let's take a look. Ooh, what have we got going on in here? Let's take a look. So first I'm seeing this Too Faced Diamond Light Diamond Fire highlighter, which I don't know what I wrote. Okay, it's the first thing. It's 36 doll hairs, so it's just like a golden highlight. I love the little blocks it comes in. There's like a sticker on here. Here we go. I like the little yellow box. I have the pinky one in this, and this is, oh, okay. I just don't know if this is really gonna work for my skin tone. It's very gold. I don't know. It's weird because I was getting like really good stuff, and then I filled out, they started having the Boxycharm quiz, and I put that I was very, very, very fair, so. Don't know if that is going to work. It's a cool thing, but I really don't think that's gonna work for me. The next product we have is by Mana Beauty, and it looks like a lipstick, and I usually see Mana Beauty products like in Ipsy bags and stuff, so it's one of those beauty box brands that usually, you know, is this like a liquid lips? Oh, it's a liquid lip. No, doesn't really have a smell, but it looks like this side comes off too. So this is it's a lip whip in the color Hope. And this is normally $21. So let's see. So this is a lip whip, and I will swatch the color next to. So it's like a thinner formula, but it's a little dark. I've been getting like, this is really pretty, but I've been getting very dark products in all my boxies and everything. So they've been really feeling the dark products, which is cool. I know it is winter time, but you know. Next, I'm seeing a Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream with Ruby Crystal Complex. Okay, no offense, but if you're into the crystal stuff, it's just bowl. It's a rock. Sorry, it's a rock. This is normally $55. So this is a 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream, and this thing must know that I'm getting pretty old. So I like the rose gold packaging. I think that's really cute and really, you know, chic. But hopefully this will help me look younger. Because don't I look beautiful? I got ID'd twice this week at the bar. That's right, twice. It's been a while since I've been ID'd. I couldn't even find it, so. Next I'm seeing the Avant Shea Butter Rice Bran Panthenol Polydicine Age Radiance 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. Say that 10 times fast. So, this is normally $107? What is happening? Is that for real, for real? Is this for real, for real? Like, what do you do with this? This 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. I better have baby butt cheeks after I finish using this. I'm sorry, I have to. Where's my phone? I need to look up how much this actually costs. False advertised to me. Avant Shea Butter. I'm gonna look it up. And if the first thing that comes up is a Boxycharm website and they made it up, I'll murder them. Glossy box. Maybe it is really expensive. It's on the Glossybox website. It's on 100. I don't know, but I'm seeing other products from it that seem really, really expensive. But the thing that worries me is if I love this, it costs a lot of money. Boxycharm made me fall in love with an Elemis product that's very pricey, and I already bought it, and Boxycharm. Okay, I hope I love this. I hope I wake up and I have the most beautiful, radiant face in the world. I'm excited to try it. I don't think I've ever tried skincare that expensive, as crazy as that sounds. Last but not least, we have this big Jahunda here. Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. Face gommage. So this is an exfoliator. How much does, this is a lot. This is a 150 milliliters or 5.07 fluid ounces. So this is normally $28, but you know, I can always use face washes and exfoliating creams. I actually like kind of put them away to put on my sink, so that was pretty decent. That was my Boxycharm. Pretty heavily focused on skincare, which I kind of don't mind because the makeup was a little bit of a miss for me. That highlighter is definitely not gonna work. Maybe I can use it as a blush. The 24/7 retinol eye cream, it's never too soon to use an eye cream. Like, come on. I'm getting old, okay? The Skin Truffle Therapy Face Gommage, I mean, I can always use some exfoliating. I have tons of dead skin. As well as the Avant Skincare 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask, which is $9 bajillion. Yeah, hell yeah, I'm gonna like using that. The Botany Beauty Whip, I'm not sure, like, I'll like using it, but it'll be pretty. I'll see. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing, just give me a like or something. I don't, you know, do what you want. It's a free country. If you can break from the royal family, you can do whatever you want to do. Oh. Guys, thank you so much for watching. You can subscribe if you like beauty unboxings and plants. That's what I'm here for. I'm doing a lot of planty things and beauty unboxings, but thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic evening. Bye.